Ripple's XRP just broke above $3.15, a level that has historically triggered massive volatility. Whales are buying, retail traders are piling in, and institutional momentum is building. The big question is, does this set the stage for a breakout to $5? Or will XRP crash back under $3? Today, I'll break down the data, whale moves, retail flows, technical signals, institutional catalysts, and long-term forecasts, so you can see exactly where XRP could be headed next. As of now, XRP trades around $3.16, up 4.3% on the day. After months of consolidation, XRP broke above $3.07 and is testing the $3.15 resistance. Historically, this level is a trigger point. Once XRP clears it, volatility skyrockets. The next big ceiling is at $3.66, which is almost 30% higher than current support levels. And here's where it gets interesting. On-chain data shows whales accumulated over 120 million XRP during the recent dip. Compare that to August, when whales dumped 260 million XRP onto exchanges. Historically, more than 70% of XRP rallies happen within 30 days of large-scale whale accumulation. This isn't just speculation, it's a proven pattern. Add to that, futures open interest surged to $8.51 billion, up from $7.37 billion earlier this week. That's billions in leverage pouring behind XRP's move, meaning the big players are betting on higher prices. Retail demand is also surging. Funding rates climbed to 0.0107%, which shows traders are literally paying extra just to stay long on XRP. On Binance, exchange reserves jumped 23% to 3.66 billion XRP. Normally, that signals possible sell pressure, but the market has absorbed it without reversing trend. That's a sign of deep liquidity and strong retail demand. Trading volumes remain above $3.5 billion daily, so this rally isn't running on fumes. From a technical perspective, XRP looks bullish. It's trading well above its 50-day EMA at $2.92 and 100-day EMA at $2.79, strong safety nets if we see pullbacks. The MACD flashed a buy signal on Monday, and the RSI sits at 55, leaving plenty of room for further gains before overbought levels. If XRP can close decisively above $3.15, the door opens first to $3.35, and then the July high of $3.66. Break that, and the path to $5 in Q4 looks realistic. Beyond charts, the fundamentals are improving fast. Ripple's SEC settlement has finally reduced regulatory uncertainty. Partnerships keep growing. Just look at the BBVA deal in Spain, expanding Ripple's custody and crypto services across Europe under MiCA regulation. And of course, speculation around a possible XRP ETF approval is fueling bullish sentiment. Analysts say ETF approval could double inflows overnight. On the tech side, Ripple is rolling out the XLS86 firewall, a major upgrade that integrates scam prevention and fraud detection directly into the XRP ledger. This is huge for institutional trust. Zooming out, Bitcoin still sets the macro tone. BTC trades at $115,897, up 5% this week. If Bitcoin pushes toward $123,000, XRP could see amplified gains thanks to its smaller market cap. The altcoin season index at 78 confirms large caps like XRP are outperforming, and historically, that leads to explosive runs. Analyst projections are split. Short term, the key resistance is $3.66. Medium term, targets go as high as $5 by year end, especially if an ETF or more custody deals get approved. Longer term, forecasts are more ambitious. $15 to $20 if Bitcoin hits $200,000 in the next cycle. And in ultra-bull scenarios, where Bitcoin trades near $1 million, XRP could potentially reach $100. For 2026, Most models predict $3.60 to $4.80, and by 2030, ranges stretch from $6 up to $43 in bullish cases. So what's the verdict? At the $3.16, XRP is at a critical junction. We've got 120 million tokens scooped up by whales, $8.51 billion in open interest, strong technicals, and bullish institutional news. Risks. Rising exchange reserves could spark a sudden reversal, but overall, XRP earns a buy rating for short to mid-term traders, with $3.66 and $5 as realistic near-term targets. For long-term investors, it's a hold with massive upside optionality, especially if Bitcoin and ETFs deliver the next leg of the bull market. What do you think? Will XRP smash through $5 this year? Or are we setting up for another fakeout? Drop your price prediction in the comments. And if you found this breakdown valuable, hit like, share it with other XRP holders, and subscribe for more data-driven crypto insights.